Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a little showcase of my lemons. They're growing and growing and growing. The roots are looking amazing. I couldn't be more happy with how they are turning out. And I have to say, outside's looking just as amazing as inside. All of my garlic is looking good still. It's survived plenty of days outside so far, and they're looking great. The horseradish, they're perking up a little bit, so that gives me some hope that there is something going on under the surface. So we'll just keep an eye on those and we'll see. And this is where I have some unfinished business. This is gonna be the remainder of my garden bed out front of my house. Around the corner though, I did finish this garden bed before the rain. This, I actually did plant a bunch of gladiola bulbs that I got from my dad. And then along the front here in this little trench, it is deep, trust me, but it is full of radish seeds. So I'm still waiting for those to come up. We're on day 5. We'll see. Hopefully I do get some.